Good day. My name is Brian Tan, and I'm a lawyer in Singapore. And for today, I will be covering the topic of the nuts and bolts that go into information security for C-suite officers in Singapore. The starting point of this seminar is to emphasize that information security, revolves around three key concepts: risk management, data protection, and cybersecurity. These three concepts at times overlap with each other. At other times, they could be distinct and separate from each other. The three concepts also occasionally have instances where they interact with just another third of this particular pie. So, for instance, data protection is really about protecting the data of individuals. Cybersecurity is about protecting the information systems that process information. And risk management is about handling the risk that these systems and that these data may encounter and lowering that level of risk.